This is an exciting day for Ybor, but specifically for the East Ybor neighborhood. And we are all here today, really, because Fran Costantino has made this day come true. Many of you may remember the days that this particular area was called East of 22nd, was the reference. And she fought hard to make this a neighborhood, East Ybor, and also to get the recognition and the growth that is deserved down in this area. And that we have this monument that everyone that drives along 7th Avenue will be able to see every single day as East Ybor continues to grow.
This has been the effort of Miss Fran Costantino, and this day after 10 years has finally arrived. And for those of you who live in Ybor City or East Ybor City, know that when Fran Costantino is happy, everyone is happy.
I want to give thanks to the Ybor City Development staff, the board, especially the Planning and Infrastructure Committee, the Barrio Latino Commission, all the city departments that worked on it. When it says it takes a village to accomplish what we have done in these 4 blocks, takes a village. I just want to thank everybody. Today is our day to appreciate historic East Ybor, and I am one happy tapping native. Thank you.